Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to close all tabs on Brave browser. So guys, this is a very easy step to do, so make sure to follow along. But first thing that you must understand is go to the Google Play Store and search for the Brave browser and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And to make sure, select the three dots on the top right, and you should be able to enable the auto update. Now, with that said, if you have the latest version, just simply open it up and now from here, as you can see, if I go to the tab at the bottom, you will have the tab beside the three dots. And from here, for example, I have multiple tabs open up and I don't want to close them one by one because it's too many of them. So in order for you to clear all the tabs on Brave browser, you just simply go ahead and select the three dots down below at the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, you will have multiple options over here, and you will have it in the middle, close all tabs in order for you to close it all at once. And from here, you will have a pop-up that if you really want to close all the tabs. And just to confirm, just simply select close all tabs and groups. And from here, you will have an option to undo them if you change your mind. And pretty much you should be able to remove all your tabs over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.